Okay, 2020 slingshot. To use it, you're gonna hit lock. You'll hear chirp. Okay, that turns on the alarm. Unlock. Turns off the alarm. Tells you the voltage of the slingshot, the signal. You press this little guy down here. Press it here and it will give you the location where the slingshot is at. Okay. We're gonna get ready to arm it. Okay. It comes with the remote control. You can do it from arm and disarm, but you can do it anywhere in the world from the actual remote control. I mean, from the actual phone, you can arm and disarm it anywhere in the world. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna fire off. This is the alert he gets. See, he's got the push notification. Not an Android guy, but yeah. He's got the, see the push notification it came in? So yeah. So anytime the alarm fires off, you'll receive the push notification. And then when in the United States, it's got GPS. If anybody jumps in, you can arm and disarm it. Again, the same thing in this 2020. You can adjust the shock sensor here in the glove box. It's got the antenna that gives you the range on the remote control. And it also has the adjustment for the shock sensor. This is the sensitivity. The more you turn it this way, more sensitive. This way is less sensitive. The reason why we put it in the glove box, that way you don't have to, you know, remove this dash every time you're gonna arm and disarm the unit. I mean, to lower the sensitivity. So it makes it easy here, so that way you can regulate it according, you know, it depends where you're gonna go. If it's happen to be lightning or thundering that day, you can lower it down a little bit, or you know, just to give you a flexibility that you can set the sensitivity a lot easier. This is pretty much it on this 2020 slingshot. We thank you for watching this video.